Windmaster keep training. Only for take revenge for his defeat here last time. Sanhai comes to challenge again. Game. Ready, fight. One key to transform. Ready, go. They are chasing after each other, almost neck and neck in the race. A smooth cornering, crossing the gate, breaking the barrier. The fly up, a cool transform. Now begin the fight. First off, Sanhai gets the first blood. Gosh, Windmaster is hit again in this moment of crisis. His mind flies back to the training. He strikes back, get the first hit. Once again, the Sanhai attack violently. Windmaster dodged skillfully, launching the final impact. Win! The champion is Windmaster. League of Autobot Heroes, the Battle Series.